Delhi is grappling with severe air pollution, as smog blankets the city, turning the air quality hazardous. The Air Quality Index, AQI, often exceeds 400, categorizing it as severe and posing serious health risks to residents. This spike in pollution stems from a mix of vehicular emissions, industrial activity, construction dust, and crop burning in nearby states, which all contribute to the toxic air. These conditions lead to respiratory issues, especially in vulnerable groups like children and the elderly, and highlight the urgent need for effective measures to combat Delhi's ongoing pollution crisis.